Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install incompatible apps on Android with root access. Let's begin. First, open your settings and use the search bar to type unknown apps. Tap on install unknown apps from the results. Now, select the browser you'll use, like Google Chrome, and make sure the option allow from this source is turned on. Next, open up Google Chrome and search for something like APK for Android. You'll see a few trusted sites like APK Mirror or APK Pure. Both are popular and safe options for downloading APK files. Once you've found the APK you want, download it directly to your device. Just make sure you're using a trusted source. Keep in mind, APK Mirror is a trusted source. But if it's just from a random website you've never heard of before, you might want to check Google to see if it is a legitimate APK download site. After downloading, open your Files app or search for Files on your phone. Look for the APK file you just downloaded. Tap on it, and your device will prompt you to install it. If your phone is rooted, some apps that normally wouldn't install might work without any issue. And that's how you install incompatible apps on Android using root access. Thanks for watching.